Hey guys, Tanner with Team Lodge. We're going to take you through a tour of another one of our awesome product offerings. This is the Extreme 2 Wide. You'll see how wide this unit is. All the way through, 75-inch door width, 81-inch door height. You'll notice in this unit we don't put a Happy Jack lift bed in. Obviously we want to be able to maximize our space up and down. So again, 75 wide, 81 tall. As we go through the trailer, you're going to see here 73 wide. So your max garage space is 73 inches wide. It fits most of the side-by-sides out there. Tracked units, we just need you to check and verify measurements. Fold over dinettes in the rear of the trailer. Meet up. We both fold up against the wall flat. Again, to maximize the toy hauler garage. Some LED hole lighting in the rear, 2 posts for the table. You'll see in here, as many of our Team Lodges, there's cabinet storage throughout the entire unit. This one, gun rack, rod rack, whatever you want to use. You can remove any of these shelving, and then backlit. Step over here, just a bunch of cabinet storage. Another light in this one. It's the same thing in this front cabinet as well. The middle of the trailer is the easiest for us to customize. We can mix and match cabinetry, remove cabinetry, do smaller cabinets. If you just want high and want more counter space, we can do that. Look towards the front of the trailer. Induction microwave oven. A 3 cubic foot dorm fridge. More cabinets, more storage. There's a ton of storage in these trailers. CD, DVD, radio. Storage for your boat seat, RV cord, again more storage. This unit we use a 28,000 BTU forced air furnace from Dometic, and then a 13,500 BTU AC. This is a standard offering in all Team Lodge units, furnace AC, again 4 seasons use. As you've seen in every single one of our models, and we just continue to evolve and grow. This is our bunch design, bunk couch. You'll see it here in the couch, and we'll just fold it up. I don't know, 10 seconds, you're from sitting to sleeping. In the front of the trailer, Thetford cassette style toilet, and then more storage. Your table is stored in here as well. All of our windows are RV frameless dual pane insulated windows. Our construction is a 2x3 stick built construction with some proprietary framing design. And closed cell spray foam throughout the entire trailer, walls and ceiling. The floor is an upgrade, but we can do it. You'll also notice in this trailer we have something new, a product out of Bismarck. It's called a flak jacket. They built us this removable floor for summertime use. Covers up your holes, easy, fits around everything. We can do it in any one of our trailers. It's kind of fun. So again, this is the Extreme 2 Wide. You can check it out at one of our 7 dealerships in 8 dealership locations. Yeah, come check it out. See you out there.